Good morning, all of you. The condition of yesterday, only doubts of yesterday. See, exercise 1.2 fourth. What is the explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. At the same time, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. The both numbers are composed or yes or no. See, what is meaning of composed number? You take any factor, you take any number. For example, 4. What is 4? The factor 4, 1 comma 2 comma 4. Nearly 2 more. The number is composed number. For like see 7 into 11 into 13 plus 30. From this number 13 is common. 7 into 11 plus 30. Sorry, plus 1. Therefore 13 into 7 11s are 77 plus 1. That is equal to 13 into 78. 13 into 78. See, at the same time 13 into what is the 78? 39 twos. 39 no, twos. Like see what is the number 39? 17. Sorry, that means 13 into 78 means see 1014. 1014. What is the factors of 1014? Like 1014. What is the factors of 1014? 1, 2, 3, 6, 26, 39, 78 up to so, like some limited numbers. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This number is composed number. This number is composed. What is the definition of the composed number? You take any number, no. 3 or more factors. 3 or more factors, the number is composed number. See, the number is composed number. What is the second number? See, therefore 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Therefore 5 2s are 10, 10 7s are 70, 76 420. What is the remaining? See, 3 4s are 12, 24, 50. Therefore 50, 40 plus 5, that is equal to 5045. 5045. What is the number? Therefore 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5, that is equal to the total number is 5045. 5045. What is the factors of 5045? 1 5 1009 5045. How many factors of 5045? 1 2 3 4. Okay, no, more than 3. This number is also composed number. This number is also. See, do this. Ask to somebody the fourth problem. Write the following terminating decimals in the form of p by q. Q not equal to 0. P, q are co-primes. What is meaning of co-primes? The factors of only common factor only one. For example, 2 comma 4. What is the 2? 1 comma 2. What is the factors of 1 comma 2 comma 4? This is the common factor, not 1, 2. The 2 comma 4 are not co-primes. See, at the same time 3 and 6. Sorry, 3 and 8. What is the factors of 3? 1 comma 3. What is the factors of 8? 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. What is the common factor? 1. Okay, 3 comma 8 is co-primes. 3 comma 8 is co-prime, like this. See, for example, fifth problem, therefore total 1 5 8. What is see, divide with 10. Why? Because divide with 10. This is a point after only one digit. That means by 10. By 10. Like see, therefore 12,158 divided by what is 10? 10 means in terms of 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Already we discussed. Therefore, third number for 3, 1.3. The denominator portion is 2 power n into 5 power m. The denominator portion 2 power n into 5 power m. The rational number is terminating. The rational number is terminating. Terminating. See, 2 power 1, 5 power 1. What is the see? 2 power n into 5 power n. In terms of in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. The total fraction is terminating. The total fraction is terminating. See, this is number like The number is 12,158 divided by 2 into 510. These both are even numbers. The cancellation with 2, 2, 6, 2, 75, 79. Yes or no? 75, 78 divided by 5. Divided by 5. This is even number, this is odd number. Here is the 760 means 6078. What is the fractions of the even number? 1 comma 2 comma see. Okay, like this. Then what is the 5? 1 comma 5. Therefore no factors of in 6075. The 5 is not in coming in the 6058. Sorry, 6078. 6078. Both are co-primes. Both are co-primes. Like here P and Q not equal to 0, P comma Q are co-primes. P comma Q are co-primes. Therefore 6078 comma 5 are co-primes. What is meaning of co-primes? Only the common factor other than only one. This means. Go to third, write the decimal form of 7218 divided by 3 square into 5 square. What is meaning of 3 square into 5 square? The denominator not written in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. This means the fractions go to the non-terminating repeating like this, right? Therefore 7218 divided by 3 into 3 square means 9, 5 square. What is here? Number is 18. Therefore 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 7 18. Okay, 18 divided by 3 and 9. According to divisible root 3 or 9. The 18 divisible by 3 and 18 divisible by 9. Okay, the total number divisible by 9. Therefore 9 9 8 is 72, 0 9 2s are into 9 divided by, therefore 5 square into 9. 9 and get cancelled. See 802 divided by 5 square. At the same time dividing and multiplying with 4. Therefore 5 square means 25 into 4 divided by 4. That means C 32 divided by 100. What is therefore 32.08. Write the decimal form of 7218 divided by 9 into 25. That means this is like 32.08. See, right? Theorem 1.6. What is meaning of theorem 1.6? Let P be the prime number. Let P be the prime number. If P divides A square, where A is in the positive integer, then P divides A, then P divides A. Here is P divides A square. Here is P divides A square. Here is P. At the same time P divides A square. At the same time P divides A also. Like what is P? What is A? See, A is a natural number. In the form of A is equal to, for example, P1 into P2 into P3 into up to so on Pn. Where therefore P1 comma P2 comma P3 up to so on Pn. Pn are prime numbers. According to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic or prime factorization, therefore, for example, you take 8. What is 8? C, not 28. What is the factors in the prime factorization? 28. One and only one even prime is 2. 14, 2, 7. What is 2 square into 7? What is 2 prime number? What is 7 prime number? P1, P2, like that. Therefore, at the same time, A into A. What is A? Already well known. P1 into P2 into P3 up to so on Pn. At the same time, again A into A. Therefore, P1 into P2 into P3 up to so on Pn. Like A into A square. That means P1 into P1 square. Like that, P2 square, P3 square up to so on Pn square. Like that. For example, you take A is 25. A is Here P is 5, therefore A is equal to 25. A is equal to 25. Next, what is P divides A square. P divides A square. P divides A square means A square by P. A square by P. Like that. See what is A square by P? A square by P is equal to 25 whole square divided by 5, that is equal to 625 divided by 5, that is equal to 125. Like at the same time, P divides A. P divides A means A by P. That is equal to what is A? 25 by 5, that is equal to 5. Like that. C divides A. A belongs to is a natural number, positive integer. What is meaning of positive integer? Is natural number. Like that. This is the theorem 1.6. 1.6. She showed that root is irrational number. Root is a irrational number. Suppose root is irrational number. Okay, suppose we take, therefore root is a rational number. What is meaning of A by B? A by squaring on both sides. Therefore root 2 whole square is equal to A by B whole square. That means therefore 2 is equal to A square by B square. A square by B square. Cross multiplication. Therefore 2B square is equal to A square. 2B square is equal to A square. At the same time, B square is equal to A square by 2. Similarly, A square by 2 is equal to B square. A square by 2 is equal to B square. Here, what is A? Therefore, here means, therefore A square is the product of 2 and B square. The product A square means product of 2 and B square. 2 and B square. You take any number. For example, even or odd. For example, 2 into anything. 2 into k is equal to 2 into k in replace of any natural number. For example, 1, 2. For example, 2, 4. For example, 2 into 3, 6. What is the even number? Even number. The multiplication to odd or even, the multiplication to with the result goes to the even number. See, therefore A square is even. A square is even. And similarly, A is even. A is even. So, let us take A is equal to 2k. What is meaning of 2k? This is a formula of even number. 2n. 2n. What is the even number formula? Even number means 2 power 2 into n. N replace of, you take any natural number, the result goes to the only even number. Already prove it. See where here is there. Already proved. Therefore, so A is equal to 2k. A is equal to 2k. Therefore, here k is some constant. C is some constant. What is meaning of constant? You take n value. You take n means natural number. Therefore, the substitute you put in A. Therefore, 2b square is equal to 2k whole square. That means 4 square. 4k square. Therefore, 2b square is equal to 4k square. 2 get cancelled. B square is equal to 2k square. 2k square. Now then b square is even number. B square is even number. Here b square is even number. Why? Multiplication with 2. Multiplication with 2. You take any number. K replace of any number. The result go to the b square is equal to even number. See, also b is even number. Also b is even number. B is even number. Now both a and b are even numbers. Now both a and b are even numbers. Even numbers. Even number. Now both a and b are even numbers. At the same time, a and b have 2 as a common factor. 2 as a common factor. Yes or no? This is even number. This is even number. What is the common factor? For example, 2 comma 4. What is factor? 2, 1 comma 2, 4, 1 comma 2 comma 4. What is the common factor? Nearly 2. Like a and b have 2 as common factor. 2 as a common factor. 2 as a common factor. Now, assumption that root is a rational number. assumption that root is a rational number. Root is a rational number. Now our assumption is wrong. Now our assumption is wrong. Now therefore root is a irrational number. Root is a irrational number. 1.3 express the following decimals in the form of p by q. The decimal form the convert into rational number. Now the rational number convert into rational number like this. 0.63 bar. What is meaning of 0.63 bar? Means 0.63. How many times repeated the 63 means so many times. The shortest form is 0.63. See, let us take therefore x is equal to 0.63. I take 6 digits. Now multiplying with 10 with both sides. Therefore 10x is equal to how many? Point before this 2 digits is coming to after point right side. Therefore 63. See now, therefore x minus, therefore 0.63. Now subtract. 10x minus x is equal to 9x. Therefore 63.63 like this. 3 0 6 minus 6 0 3 minus 0 6 minus 6 3 minus 3 0.63. Therefore x is equal to 63 by 9. What is C? 3 1s 3 2s 3 1s by 3 3s 7 3s. X is equal to 7. Sorry, this is wrong. 10x means 1 digit is there, therefore 100x. 100x means 99. Now this, therefore x is equal to 63 by 99. 3. What is 3? 3 2s, 3 1s, 3 double 3s. At the same 3 7s, 3 11s. See, 3 7s, 3 11s. This is the P by Q form of 0.63. P by Q form of 0.63. Now go to the next. See. Therefore 43.123. Let us take x is equal to 43.123 here. Therefore multiplication with why? Because nothing. Therefore 43.123 is equal to 43,123 divided by 1000. Why? Because the point after how many digits? 1 2 3. That is a 30 number like this. See, any cancellation? No cancellation. The numerator is odd number, denominator is even number, not cancellation. See, this is like exercise 1.4. Prove that the irrational number 3 plus root 2. See, what is 3 plus root 2? For example, let us take there is a 3 plus root 5 is equal to rational number. See, 3 is equal to a minus b. The plus 2 root 5 transfer to left side before sign will be changed, like squaring on both sides. Therefore 3 square is equal to, this is like a by b minus 2 root 5 whole square. That means a minus b whole square. A square plus b square. B square means 4 5s are 20 minus 2ab. 2 into 2 4 root 5 a by b. See that like, therefore a square by b square. See, plus 20 minus 4 root 5 a by b. 3 square means 9. The 9 transfer to right side. Minus 4 root 5 a minus b is transfer to left side. Therefore before sign will be changed. Therefore 4 root 5 a by b is equal to a square by b square plus 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9. That is equal to a square by b square. 20 minus 9 means 11. What is the LCM? B square. B square by divided by b square means 1 into a square plus this is 1 b square divided by 1 b square. B square into 11 b square. What is 4 root 5 a by b? 4 root 5 a by b. Like therefore 4 root 5 is equal to a square by 11b square divided by b square. The ab transfer to right side. The fraction is reciprocal, b by a. B by a. Like see, 4 root 5 is equal to, what is here? Like therefore, a square plus 11b square divided by b square means b into b. B by a. B get cancelled. That is equal to finally a square plus 11b square divided by b into 1 by a. What is a square plus 11b square divided by b into a into b means ab. What is 4 root 5? Like root 5 is equal to a square by 11b square divided by corresponding the 4. Transfer to right side, the fraction is reciprocal. That means a by b into 1 by 4. That means finally a square plus 11b square divided by ab into 4 ab. What is here? Now, therefore a square plus 11b square by 4ab is a rational number. At the same time, similarly, root 5 is a rational number. Root 5 is a rational number. Root 5 is a rational number. By contrast, root 5 is a irrational number. By contrast, root 5 is a irrational number. Root 5 is a irrational number. Like hence, 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. Irrational number. This is the process of prove that 3 plus root 5 is a irrational.